Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go into one of the biggest challenges people face, whether they've gone through a bankruptcy, hit a financial rough patch, or are simply just starting their credit journey, building or rebuilding your credit. As a bankruptcy lawyer, I get asked about this all the time, and I decided to make a video to explain step by step what to do. Just last week, a client came into my office kind of anxious about what he could do to rebuild his credit since his bankruptcy case had just closed, and he was starting over. Within minutes, we pulled up Credit Karma on his phone, found him a Visa card designed to help people with bad or no credit, and boom, instant approval. It's moments like these that kind of remind me, with the right tools and strategies, rebuilding your credit isn't just possible, it's a game changer. And that's what we're talking about today. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tips. These are insider tips I've picked up over 25 years as a bankruptcy attorney, really seeing firsthand what actually works. So, if you're serious about taking your credit from maybe rock bottom to sky high, keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap that could really transform your financial future. Before we get into it, if you find value in these tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss more insider advice to help you get ahead financially. And I want to take this opportunity to announce a couple of things that I think can be pretty important to you if you're starting to take control of your finances. First, down below is a link to sign up for my weekly newsletter, where I'll go into the latest news in personal finance and lifestyle, especially if you're of a certain age, we'll say like me. Second, by signing up for the newsletter, I'll send you a 39-page PDF that goes into a lot more detail than what I can cover here about rebuilding your credit. I think you'll find both to be of value, and there's no obligation, and you can remove yourself from the list at any time. I look forward to talking to you there, and I absolutely welcome you to the community. So, let's get started. First, let's start with an often overlooked strategy, becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This is a seriously powerful hack for resurrecting your credit score, but not enough people know about it. So what does being an authorized user mean? Well, in simple terms, you get added to someone else's credit card account. You'll have your own card, but they're the ones responsible for the payments. Here's the beauty of that. Their good credit habits, on-time payments, low balances, that gets reflected on your credit report. So imagine borrowing someone's, say, stellar credit history and using it to boost your own score. All right, that's how this works. But here's a word of caution. If the person starts missing payments or maxing out the card, that could hurt your score. So choose carefully. Maybe ask a trusted family member or a close friend with a solid financial track record. Here's a pro tip. Make sure the card issuer reports authorized users to the credit bureaus. Not all of them do, and if it doesn't get reported, it's not going to help you. So what's the best part of this strategy? Well, you can see results fast, sometimes within a single billing cycle. So if you need a quick credit score boost, this could be your ticket. Now here's a credit hack that's probably going to surprise you. What if I told you that your Netflix subscription could help improve your credit score? It's all thanks to something called alternative data reporting. Well, think about it. You pay bills like Netflix, Hulu, electricity, and your phone bill every month, but those payments aren't usually part of your credit history. Enter services like Experian Boost, which kind of changes the game by adding these regular payments to your credit report. So how does it work? You connect your bank account and the service pulls qualifying payments like your streaming services, utility bills, and phone bills, and this payment history becomes part of your credit report. Some people see their scores jump by 10 points or more right off the bat. The process is simple. You sign up, you connect your accounts, and pick which payments you want reported. Most of these services are free, and they allow you to show lenders that you're financially responsible, even if you haven't used traditional credit before. This strategy is a great supplement to other credit building tools, and it's one more way to boost your score using what you're already doing. All right. It's time to break down a major myth once and for all. If you've been told that the only way to rebuild your credit is through a secured credit card, think again. Unsecured credit cards, like the Mission Lane Visa, are specifically designed for people rebuilding their credit without requiring a security deposit. That means you get the benefits of a traditional credit card with none of your cash tied up in a savings account. The best part is that many unsecured cards offer credit limit increases over time, which can help improve your credit utilization ratio, one of the major factors that affect your credit score. Of course, responsible use is the key. Whether you choose secured or unsecured, always make sure to make your payments on time and keep your balances low. The path to credit success is all about smart, consistent habits. Did you know your rent payments can boost your credit score? Rent is typically your largest monthly expense, but it's not automatically reported to credit bureaus unless you make it happen. There are services like RentTrack, Level Credit, and Boom that report your rent to the credit bureaus, sometimes even retroactively. So what that means is you could actually get credit for up to 24 months of on-time rent payments, instantly boosting your FICO score. By reporting your rent, you're building a more accurate picture of your financial responsibility, and combined with other strategies like the alternative data reporting, you'll be well on your way to a stronger credit profile. I'll have links for all these sites down below. Now let's talk about habits. These are the tried and true practices that'll not only rebuild your credit, but keep it strong for the long haul. First, make sure you're paying all your bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders so you never miss a due date. Second, keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. Third, monitor your credit regularly. You can use free services like Credit Karma to keep an eye on things and catch any errors or red flags. Finally, diversify your credit mix. Having different types of credit, like credit cards, personal loans, and an auto loan, can work in your favor. But don't go overboard. Take baby steps. By following these habits, whether you're rebuilding or building credit for the first time, you'll not only strengthen your credit, but also master it. You'll show lenders that you're responsible, trustworthy, and ready for greater financial opportunities. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more strategies to help you reach your financial goals. And don't forget to sign up for the free 39-page PDF download that goes into much more detail about how to rebuild your credit. Lastly, you'll get a weekly newsletter with even more great tips. Welcome to the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.